Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I do quite a few long distance trips and I need some access to charge, whether it's the cameras or whatever. And I want to put 12 volts to the top box here. This is just an Amazon aluminum top box that I have. So what I want to do, I got this 12 volt connector here, and I'm thinking that I'm going to mount it to the side somewhere. That way I have a pigtail and I could get a USB charger, or 2 USB ports out of this this unit here that will plug right into it. That way I could do whatever I got to do to get power in here. So I think I just need to drill a hole here. Then I have an extension that actually has a 90-degree fitting here to connect it right to the plug. I'll probably just sneak it in here, and then I have the end of the pigtail to charge my battery on the battery tender if I need to. So hopefully I could make all that work. I'll include all the components I need to make this happen in the description if you guys want to do something similar. But yeah, I think this will be pretty convenient to have things in here that, while I'm riding I could be charging, so which will be pretty convenient. All right, let's get to it. So I'm thinking it'll be convenient to put it as high as possible because, I don't want this to interfere with a lot of stuff that's inside my, my top case here. It seems pretty rugged, but I think the higher it is, the better I'll be. And I'll just run my wire right down. So I think I'll go in this area here. Okay. There's a nice snug fit, which is nice. It'll kind of make it watertight as well. So, all right, we'll drill a couple holes here for our bolts. All right, I got it mounted on. I'm just going to use 2 bolts that I had laying around. What they provided were some wood screws, so that obviously that's not going to work. And I just cut the bolts down as flush as I could. And that'll be my pigtail. There is a liner that goes in here. So yeah, now I just need to run the power to the battery. Okay, well I got the liner back in. And that's where the switch kind of goes in, but it should be fine. A little pigtail, then I got my my USB, receptacles. So yeah, that'll just kind of hang out there. And for now, I just have the cable running to the back of the seat here, and there's a spot where I go on the side where it keeps it pretty loose. So depending on your bike, you'll probably have to find a spot. Most likely I'll probably drill a hole back here and let the wire go through, but I just want to give it a test run before I make any decisions to drill any holes through anything. But yeah, I think this is going to work nice. Obviously I got my plug here, so when I take my top box off, just unplug it. So yeah, that's going to work good. I'm pretty excited about this. It'll be pretty handy to have. So as always, if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll do my best to reply and see if I can help you out. All right, thanks for watching.